I'm about to show you how to redeem a Lowe's gift card online at Lowes.com and how to use it to buy something. In my example, I will be using both a physical gift card as well as a digital one that I got via email. If you have a physical card, you first need to prep it. On the back, if the cashier did their job right, they would have peeled back this piece to scan the barcode underneath. Some people think that this barcode and the little numbers beside it are the numbers you need to redeem, but those are not it. So please ignore all that stuff. What you need to do is tear apart this packaging to get to the actual card inside. What I like to do is grab the gap around the opening here and just rip it apart that way. You'll need to reveal the pin underneath the scratch-off material. Now head over to Lowes.com. I'm using a computer, but you can replicate these steps on your phone as well. If you already have an account, sign into it by clicking Sign In the upper right. If you want to establish an account, click on Create an Account and go through the process of creating it. However, just so you know, you do not have to have an account to do this process. And that's the way I'm going to go. I'm not going to be signing in or creating an account here. Next, what we need to do is choose something to buy. So search the site for an item or items that you need. Note that you do not have to spend the full amount of your card. It'll remember the balance, so you can spend some now and spend some later. That balance will not expire. I'm going to choose this screwdriver, and I want it delivered, so I'm going to choose delivery on the right. And just below that spot, I can choose how fast I want it delivered. When I've made those selections, I'll click Add to Cart. I'm going to pick up some paint supplies as well and add those to my cart. When you're done choosing all your items, click on your cart in the upper right. Then on this screen, go to the right and click on Start Secure Checkout. Fill out all the fields with the information it is asking for. When you get down to the payment section, click on the option to Add Lowe's gift cards. Enter the gift card number in the first field and the PIN number in the second field. Then click Apply. If your number was valid, you'll see an adjustment made to your total on the top right. Since I have another code that was emailed to me, I'm going to click on the option to add another gift card right here. Now I'm going to head into that email, which was from Amazon, and within that email, I'll click on Get Your Gift Card, and that brings me to this page, which shows both the card number and the PIN, just like it did on the physical card. There is a little option out to the right that allows you to add the number to your clipboard for pasting, but that option did not work for me. So I just manually entered the two codes. Note that I'm ignoring the spaces as I type. Those are optional. I'll then click Apply, and it has once again adjusted my total. In my case, the two gift cards were not enough to pay for everything, so I'm going to fill out the credit card section to pay for the rest. Like I said, if your gift card did not cover your entire purchase, you will still have a balance left on the card, and you can just use it to buy something in the future. That balance does not expire. Once I get done putting my credit card info in, I'll click Place Order, and the process is done. Thanks for watching.